How's it going, YouTube? Today we are working on a 2024 Nissan Pathfinder. It should be the same for a 2022 and 2023 as well. But pretty simple door panel takeoff. All you should need is a size 10 socket, a pick to get the covers off, and then also a plastic panel popping tool. So we'll go ahead and take our covers off. You're going to have one behind the door handle and then one behind the grab handle. On the door handle part, make sure you start from the back near the locking mechanism, because you're going to have a little clip on the front holding it in place. But make sure you start from this back edge and pry forward, because you're going to have a little clip on the front. As for the second cover, it's just behind the grab handle. Just grab your pick, there's a little cutout. Just kind of pry in there and pull up. Grab the cover out, and that's going to show the other two bolts on the door panel on. So now we can go ahead and grab all three of them out. Alright, now that we have our three screws out, we can go ahead and grab our plastic panel popping tool. Just kind of make room on the bottom. Kind of pry out. Kind of work around the edges. And then pull up. And there you have it. That's the front door panel. The rear door panel is going to be the exact same. There is a little sunshade on the rear door panel, but it's the exact same layout. So you should be fine. But besides that, that's how you take off the door panel on a 2024 Nissan Pathfinder. Thanks for watching.